Mama, good day.
You are here.
What is this?
My dear, this is what I have been suffering from. This is what I have been suffering. But God will heal my legs. Daniel, who is she?
Mama? Mama? I brought her here to take care of you. Her name is Ihuoma, aka Precious.
Have I met her before?
Yes.
I know you. She's the one I chased out of your house. Then you brought her here to come and laugh at me.
Mama, she's the one you chased out of my house. Yes. But she's not here to laugh at you. I brought her here to take care of you because you need someone around you.
To take care of me?
Yes, she has few weeks leave from where she's teaching. So I begged her to come help me take care of you.
She agreed to come and take care of me. Oh,
sorry. My dear. Some money. In case you want to buy anything, we have shops here. The market is not even far from this place. Yeah, and I'll always be coming from time to time to see the people.
No problem.
Thank you very much. Let me show you your room.
Okay.
Oh, we're coming. No, don't worry. This way.
Hey, Danny, how do I tell you this? Ah! Oh, mother, bully!
Why judge in a book by its cover? Mama, my brother, don't judge someone by his look. Now situation make get a fish burn. It's not my choice. If I not so
Young lady.
Good morning, sir.
Morning to you, my daughter. Are you part of the family?
No, sir. I'm just helping Mama.
Ah. And you are washing and cleaning the whole compound.
I have to clean the dirty compound and wash the dirty clothes too.
Easy one. That's good of you. Before I forget that, have this. Cut it into two. Mix it with water in a small rubber can. Or this bottled water, and bring it to me. Let me see that.
Be careful who you trust. But follow your heart. So the world begin. You can never be misled.
Mama. Thank you, man. Ndo. So, how are you feeling today?
I feel better. At least the pain is not deep again. I slept well last night.
Bcos I told you, it will heal gradually. By the way, I saw one young woman outside the compound, washing all the clothes. Who is she?
You mean she's washing my clothes?
If you step outside, you will see her washing all the clothes. But I ask again, who is she?
She's my son's friend. My son brought her to take care of me.
I saw a wife. I saw a virtuous woman. I saw someone that is brought up with humility. Such characters are rare these days. I must tell you. Okay. You see this, eh? This will help to shrink the bad blood. Okay? Please rub it on her morning and night before she sleeps. Don't allow water to touch it.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Have it. And this. Have it. This is bitter. She may not like to drink it. But make sure she take it half cup every morning before she eats. Do you understand? I will be here next 2 market days to check on her. Please take good care of her. Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Ozibo. Thanks, sir. Oh.
Mama. Mama, I've not eaten anything today. What am I going to make for you?
The DB has told me that you washed all my dirty clothes. Even the ones I urinated on. And I heard when you were singing and sweeping the compound this morning. Am I right?
Mama, please, what are you going to eat?
You know why you've not answered my question. Is this the kind of person you are?
I mean, the compound was dirty, so I needed to clean it. And at least you cannot start sweeping at your age and in this condition. Mama, please, what am I going to cook for you to eat?
They said you came here to take care of me. So decide what I will eat. In fact, from now on, you decide what will happen.
Okay, that's fine. So, I guess I'll make tea for you now and make jollof rice for you in the afternoon.
Anything you need is in that kitchen.
Okay, Mama.
Why judging a book by its cover? Mama, my brother.
Is she trying to impress me or what? She took my heaped clothes, washed, and swept the whole compound. Of course, she knew I wouldn't stand up to see it and applaud her. Yet she did it. Obinna said he and Daniel picked her and her friend in a hotel, and that she is a prostitute. But look at her calmness upon my drama at Daniel's house. She still came here. Or was she here to poison me? This tea now may be poisoned though, due to what I did to her. Some of these girls hovering around hotels and doing prostitution are poisonous. Osibundo, you are a great seer and a herbalist. But you may have failed on this. You may have. No, I will not drink this tea. Bannon, she has to test it.
Only your heart will tell you the truth.
This is your tea. Please check if it's too hot so I can go and get cold water to drink it.
Why don't you try it? Where is your own tea?
I don't like drinking tea. I'll eat something else later.
Okay. Try it and see if it is hot.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Very okay.
Is that how to test tea? Yeah. Try it now, and I don't want any pains again. If it injures my tongue now, where's the cup up? Try it very well.
Mama, I'll finish it too. It's very
finish
sweet.
it and see what I will do to you. Come on, keep my tea. So, what are you going to eat?
I'll eat something else later. Yes. Okay. So, Mama, drink your tea so I can go and finish up what I was doing.
Okay. Please eat. Oh, Mama. Eat. Tea nye topaloto. What do you want? Hey, she didn't test bread though. Onye mama nwule ndabui. Me drink only tea when she warm. The way I dealt with her, she can do anything. Ihuama.
So you're not aware? No, I'm not aware. Seriously, I am not. I thought it was somebody they paid to take care of her. I was even thinking they will send for Urema and what's that her name that she usually allowed to fetch water from a borehole?
That Chika.
Chika. I was thinking they will send for Urema and Chika.
Those ones that lied that they are now in the city. I saw them at the market yesterday selling Santana. Akbu like Akbasuraso. I know they will not want to come because they feel they will be tied down.
Are you serious?
I saw them.
You saw them at the market?
Yes.
Hey! Those were the same girls that made that woman to insult my father and Ichie Ezechukwu. So they are in this town and they refuse to help that woman. You see this life? You see this life? And my father that has a good heart will be telling me, go and help her now. Go and give her food. Go and see her. Of course I refuse. I refuse because it is better for that woman to die of hunger than to die of poison. Because if I eventually cook for that woman, Amarachi, if I cook for that woman, she must surely die. Because that food must be poisoned.
Well, it's a good thing, that her children have brought someone from the city to come and take care of her. Because there's no one in this village, even the women has agreed to come and see her. Is that a good thing?
It is not a good thing. It is not a good thing. That woman is so bad. She's so bad. Anyway, thank God that Ikedi's son's borehole will soon be ready. Then we can be fetching water the way we like.
Have they started work again?
Work is in progress.
Hey,
my father even sent me to go and tell them something.
My friend, let's go. I want to even see how they're doing that thing.
Okay, let's go this way. You know you like Casimir.
You too, you don't like
you. Young guests like you should not be fetching water from this place. You won't come. But because you are so late. No, I think it's you. Because you are so late. You need that home.
Anything you do to her, you do one to me. She's my choice, oh, open up. She is strong when things fall apart. It's not that she's a spoiled girl. Let's forgive her. Mama, forgive her. Mama, she's my choice. Oh, open up. Poverty have destroyed my life. Problems of this world has killed me. Negode phobia mumeremo. I am in sorrow. I am in deep fear. Nobody.
How has it been? I've been fine, as you can see. I can see that. Margaret Thatcher. Who is Margaret Thatcher? The almighty Dano's mom. She's inside. Eh? Well, come, let's go and see. Wait first. What? Obago. This one here, maternity gown. Obago. Obago. I'm coming.
Anything you do to her, you do one to me. She's my choice. Oh. She's my choice.
Mom.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama, she's my friend and a copper too. She just came to see me.
Oh, thank you for visiting us. Oh, how is the youth service?
Yeah, Mama, we're just managing to finish and be free. We're getting better.
My dear, I am. All thanks to Ioma. Please thank her for me.
I will.
Let me take a listen.
Alright. Let's go sweet.
Okay, Mom.
Which one? Welcome. Thank you. Gentle.
You don't really enter this woman.
Imagine her saying all thanks to Ihuoma. So your name is Ihuoma? Oh, that's my middle name. Daniel loves the name so much and now his mother has adopted it. You're now a wife, oh. So no need of running. Please don't say that again. Wife? No.
So what if Danny proposes?
He has not. Okay? We're just dating and we're close friends. I don't want anyone to see this as a means of me wanting to get married to this family. No. By the way, I'm just trying to help Daniel. He's been good to me. Yeah, he's been good to me. I just want him to concentrate on his work. And my time here will soon expire. And I'll be back.
Are you serious? Yes. Okay. No problem now. Because I'm hungry. What did you cook?
Food. Now that you're...
My friend, go
let me eat. Get which food for you let me eat. Do I look like a cook? You will wait. We'll go to the market together.
Which market?
We're going to the market
You see why I'm calling you his wife? So now, Keta, you want to lose half.
You're very stupid.
You're
a fool. Are you sure? Are you sure you want to eat food?
You're
very stupid.
You can't get something.
This girl, you sure that? Yeah, stupid girl. I do.
Mama, you're better now.
My dear.
Yeah, Mama, just try and see if you can walk. We have to test it today. Mama, you can walk. Yes. Mama, don't worry, you can walk. Let's try. You can do it. You can do it. Mama, are we mates? Mama, you can do it. Mama, walk for you.
Just one by one. Hey!
Mama, even Ozibondu said you can walk. You see?
You said
you can walk. You can walk, Mama. Mama, yes, so. Mama, that is you walking, though. Mama, you can walk. Hey! Mama, Mama, you're doing it, you see? Mama, yes. Mama, okay, my. See, Mama can walk. Mama can walk. Mama can walk. Mama can walk. Mama, you can walk. You can do it. I trust you, Mama. You can do it. No, you can do it.
My waist.
Just manage. You can walk. Mama, go. Hey. Mama, you can do it. You can do it. You're doing it already. Yes, easy. Yes. Okay. Mama. Yes. Okay, I'm going to leave you here now.
No, it's still paining me.
No, Mama.
I can't walk alone.
You can walk, Mama. Believe me.
Mama,
no.
Just please,
Mama, walk.
Please.
Mama, walk, Mama. You're doing it already.
Mama, it's me.
Mama, we trust you. Do it. Yes, Mama, walk.
Hey.
Don't worry. Okay, let's leave.
Hey, my waist.
Walk,
Papa.
Mama, walk.
Mama, just try.
Mama, that is you walking. Mama, you walk. Mama. Mama, go. Mama, go. You can do it. Oh, you can go! Mama, you can do it, oh! Mama! Hey!
Mama, you don't worry. Determination is so sad.
Yes, Mama. That is it. Mama, that's the energy. Mama, that's the energy. Mama, that's the energy.
Don't worry. I will do it.
Hey.
Anna, I have to go.
Yeah.
I only took 2 days off. If not, I would have stayed long.
It's fine.
Besides, Daniel didn't show up at all. He only calls.
What do you want me to do? I mean, I know he's very busy and probably he'll come soon. Yeah. But I'll leave once he comes. And I'll tell him that you came around.
Yeah, they love. And you, when are you coming back?
Soon.
Your CDS and classwork, they are piling up.
I'll come back soon.
You have to come back.
I will.
So when is this?
Once he comes, I'll leave. I mean, now his mom is getting much better. Happy.
No.
Okay, come and go. Bye.
You are my baby. Bye. I see you.
Take care of yourself.
Nem, thank you for everything. Thank you so much for taking care of me. You took care of me like I am your mother. Thank you. I'm sorry for what I did to you in the past. You know that day at Daniel's house, I acted based on what Obina told me about you. I molested you like you're not human, like you're not someone else's child. I am sorry. These few weeks I have been monitoring you, watching everything about you, and I am confused. I'm confused about all the things they told me. I don't think it's true. Is it?
Amma, it's okay. I mean, I see it as my duty to take care of you as my friend's mother.
Yeah.
Danny has been really, really kind to me. And it's natural for me to just return his kindness.
Can't you go again? Anyway. Did they meet you at the hotel like they told me? Were you at the brothel?
Amma, the story is too long. But certainly not how Obin has said it. Daniel will explain better to you. I am so sure about it. But my life has not been easy. I made a lot of mistakes. And Obina is using it to judge me.
It's okay. It's okay, Mom. Oh, we've all made mistakes. And once we realize, we move on. We just pick our pieces and move on. I believe you've moved on. So if you and Daniel are compatible, no problem. I will not stop you.
Mama, I don't know. I don't see people coming here to even check up on you. At least I don't see your fellow women and men coming to see what has happened to you.
That is one of my mistakes. It was. I chased all of them out. I seized them from having access to the borehole my husband dug for them.
Why? I mean, that would make them see you as a wicked woman.
I know. This is a long story, but I will cut it. They don't like me. And I hated them too. When I was married into this community, into this village newly, there was this tradition and custom which they refused to perform for me. It's a little ritual, but very important. You know, as a young girl who is naive, a virgin, chastity shows on you. They will buy you gifts, biscuits, perfume, handkerchief, slippers, underwears. Now, they will call a dancing group. Gather the young girls of your age, or above, or beyond. Dance with the gifts to your father's house to show your chastity, and it makes you proud. They refuse to do it for me. And I was very, very furious about it. I don't know how to explain this. This made me less important to me. So when my husband died, I seized the opportunity to stop them access to the borehole. I chased all of them out because I was believing they don't want me, so why using my water? The grudge has been there for so long without me realizing that I was making a mistake. Because I extended this grudge to children that was not born before I came to this community. It wasn't easy.
Mama, just forgive. Okay? Yeah, I have learned to just forgive people that did me wrong. Open the gates. Allow the flow of peace to reign. That's how I see life.
As well, my dear. Thank you. Thank you for making me know you. Thank you for taking care of me. My God, the one I serve, Eloi, will bless you. Thank you.
Bcos' house?
Yes. How may I help you?
Okay, I'm here to see your father. Please, can you go in and call him?
Okay. Papa! Papa!
Grandma, what is it?
Please come. She's looking for you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm from Mama Njendu's house. And I'm the girl looking after her since she was poisoned. I don't see Kingsman coming to ask after her. No, her co-women. So that was when she said that she literally stopped everybody from using the borehole. And she gave her reasons. Sir, she would like to see you and your daughter. And I'll be so glad if you can just come and see her, please.
Never. That will be over my dead body.
Why would you say that? You don't have to say that. You'd have to wait to hear from her first.
I don't care. I don't care what she has to say.
Grandma,
Papa.
it's okay. My daughter, don't worry. We shall be there. Go and tell her that we shall be there. We'll come. Go down. We'll go and see Jenda. We'll go and see her. Do not bother. We'll see her.
Papa, I'm not going, no.
You will go with me. Sit down. Do what you're doing.
Ibekwe, my brother, don't worry. Go and see her since she is the one that sent for you. But in case she says anything concerning us, please do tell us. It may just be the normal family issues.
I will see her tomorrow. But it must be when I am through with the things I have with Igwe. You remember the electric cable issue at the palace?
You people have not concluded about that.
My dear, the town union did not submit the account. They have not tendered the account. And we are having crucial meeting tomorrow morning towards it. Yes.
Okay. When you go tomorrow, please go well.
It's alright.
Let me run along.
It's alright. Let me be going too.
Okay.
I'll take care. And you still nurture grudges till this age. Ijendo, why? Why? Uguma and other children in this clan, we are not yet born when you got married into this family. And you have forgotten that, my brother, your late husband single-handedly bought everything, and we took all of them to your father's house.
And not the other way it's been done. Those things killed my spirit. And I vowed never to do anything with your clan's people. Even your children. I was just enduring it when my husband was alive. I'm sorry, I have offended you so dearly. So dearly. I'm sorry. Ugoma. Nem. Find a way to forgive me. Oh, Nem. Please. Ugo. Come and sit. Inugo. Biko. Please, come and sit with me. Ibekwe yoni ya o Biko.
Come on, sit down. Go.
Nem, look at me. Please. I know I offended you so badly. From your heart of hearts, forgive me. Biko. Ichendro abụrụkwa na-achọ mmadụ. Abụrụkwa na m-achọ mmadụ. Oh, we want to clean up. Please, forgive me. Biko.
It's okay.
Ichendro abụrụkwa na-achọ mmadụ. I am not a bad person. Please, forgive me. See, you can fetch water. Tell your sisters. Tell your friends. Tell your clan girls that the borehole is theirs. They can fetch us so many gallons as they want. Biko, I am coming.
Papa, did she just say that we can come and fetch water?
As many as you want.
We can be coming here to fetch water.
It seems she has repented.
Please. Hey, Nem, please. Accept it. Oh, buy as many gallons as you can. I know I broke your gallon. I am sorry. Take the balance to buy clothes. Change your hairstyle. I don't want your hair to be like this again. Oh, if you need anything, just let me know.
Okay, ma.
If I don't have enough money, I will call my children to bring it.
Okay, ma.
You are my daughter. You should be the daughter I never had.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you,
ma.
Oh,
thank you.
Ibekwe. Please. I will tell. No, you don't put money there.
Okay.
It's cancerous. No, it will not. Okay. It will not. Okay. Ibekwe. Please, don't collect this money from her. Oh? My dear. From your school fees and everything, I'll take care of it. Oh? I am still collecting my pension as a retired teacher. I retired as a school principal. So, Ibekwe, leave her worries, her expenditures to me. I will even tell Obinna, my son, to buy hose that can get from here to the village square. You will be in charge until you go to the university. Anybody that needs water, they don't need to come here. They will just fetch. Oh, Ibekwe, I know I degraded your title. I remembered I removed your cap and marched on it. I don't know how to atone for my sins. Please, tell Ichie Ezechukwu that I also want to see him. I know I offended him because oh, we want a cleaner.
Ijendo, it's okay. We are not having anything against you. And it's alright. You continue to be our wife. We will continue to love you. We will be the same thing. One family. Do not cry. We can understand. Please, don't cry.
It's okay.
Do not cry, please. We can understand.
It's okay, ma.
It's okay.
Just stop crying.
Why judge in a book by its cover? Mama, my brother, don't judge someone by his look. Now situation make the fish bend. Your choice is not my choice. If I find a so she's the hidden treasure, my hidden treasure. I've been looking for my hidden treasure. She's the hidden treasure I've been looking for. She's mine forever, my hidden treasure. Trust everything you see. Even the salt looks like sugar. Be careful who you trust. Makachini na beautiful, but follow your heart. So the world begin. You can never be misled by your heart. Only your heart will tell you the truth. You have seen she's a wife material. She's an angel, beautiful heart. She's wife material.
So, Mama, so you allowed that girl in this house?
You mean Ihuoma? My Ihuoma. She's the best. She has turned my life around. She's told me everything about herself. That girl is 100% better than your wife. Has your wife ever swept this compound since she was married into this family? Has she ever washed my clothes nor cooked food for me? I knew that you quarreled with her because she refused to come and take care of me when I was seriously down. But Ihoma did. With all her heart. She was just trying to help a dying grandmother, and frustration took her to where you and Danny met her. But she's the nicest soul ever. Like the saying goes, we shouldn't judge a book by its cover.
Mama, are you serious about this?
I wouldn't pretend for anything. This girl has brought peace to my soul, in my life. She's brought peace between your uncle and all the elders of this clan that I have offended. And I know that the news must have spread. Your wife couldn't do it. She's the nicest thing, the nicest person I have ever seen. A wife material. Everything you will need in a woman dwells in her. Well-groomed, with a beautiful heart.
Only your heart, we tell you the truth.
My Iwoma.
You have seen she's a wife material. She's an angel.
Oh. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. And I hope you don't get to slap me again because I'm already going to pack my bags.
Slap you? Why?
The last time you slapped me, I've had bad letter ears. That's not.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry from the depths of my heart. I was seeing a coquette I met in the club. But my younger brother saw something else. Mama told me everything. She told me everything you did for her. I want to especially appreciate you for taking time to take good care of my mother. And also uniting her with a clansman. That was commendable. As a matter of fact, I will take you to the best hospital for ear treatment. Yes, I will. And I'll personally reward you adequately for everything you did for my mother. Thank you.
You know, there is something I saw in her that you didn't see. Sometimes life pushes us to the dark side. And it takes only a seer like me to see the light in one's forehead, even when the person is in the dark. I saw gold in her. She's a wife material, despite where we picked her from.
Okay. I'll believe it now. You know, Mama is fine, and I'm glad. And I missed classes, so have to go.
Thank you very much.
Is she really 7? Because I thought it was all cooked up lies to market her acceptability.
Obinna, never judge a book by its cover. She is truly sounding. Yes. I know why you were reacting like that, because of where we met her and where we picked her from. Yes, but trust me, she was just pushed into that by life pressure. She's not that kind of person, trust me.
Took that word from me. Don't judge a book by the cover. I judge them by her cover. So, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh.
You don't do no to tap current.
Danny. Sorry.
Thanks for all you do.
Thank you. Darling. So
she's wife material. I'm a judge with what you see. She's an angel with what you see. Beautiful heart. She's wife material.
Is this not what we had wanted? We are not bad people. The truth is, Ijendu never gave us, our wives, the chance to explain how and what happened during that time.
We also have to consult the women, or else this whole thing will still linger.
So, your wife did not tell you?
Tell me what?
Ijendu was in their meeting last night, and she presented them with gifts, and still promised them that their next meeting will be in her own house.
Hey!
Sure.
Eh?
Yes.
Ah!
Okay.
What are we saying?
You are not aware.
That means they have settled in peace. Good resolution brings peaceful mind. Listen, honestly, she has tried. If you ask me, she has tried. Let's just give her a chance. Let's forgive and forget. Let's push this aside. Especially you, Eze. I know how you used to get angry.
I'm the happiest person in this community now. I will go to her and we'll discuss more concerning the future. The company is there, and not even one of our graduates is employed because they're following her instructions. So I'll go and let us talk about it.
I think these ones, we can get to them gradually.
Gradually.
If you ask me.
Gradually.
It is still the gradual process.
Finally. Finally.
Ioma, how can you be saying this when you have stolen my heart? When I have come to love you so deeply. And I explained to you that I need a daughter-in-law who will love me the way you do. You can't do this to me now. You can't do this to me and my family. Who are you leaving me for? Who?
Precious. I thought you'd forgiven me. What do you want my brother to do? After everything is done because of you. The time he invested, the resources, his emotions. Come on. Look at my mother. She's gotten used to you. And as you can see, she's feeling bad already. Please, don't do this to us.
Mama, is my mother too? What you're asking me to do is not going to favor this family. But I mean, Danny, we never discussed marriage.
But I'm ready to marry you. Yes. We never discussed marriage because the opportunity never presented itself. Precious, I'm ready to marry you today, now, tomorrow. Just say it.
You don't understand. Daddy, I mean, let's just be best friends. I can be visiting Mama anytime. And I will visit you as long as you want this friendship to last. But Danny, please, God brought us together so we can help each other. And please, just skip this marriage and focus on the friendship. Please.
Precious. You can't be saying this now that I have fallen in love with you. No. You can't disappoint me in the presence of my mom and brother. Listen, I have fallen in love with you. I can't live without you. Please, don't do this.
I don't understand.
And make me understand.
Danny, I have no womb. I have no womb. And you want children, Mama? He would certainly need a male child.
Tofiakwa, how can you say this with your mouth? Shut up!
Mama, that's the truth, Mama.
You can't be saying this with your mouth. Shut your mouth up!
But that's the truth. I have no womb, but I can't have kids.
What happened to your womb? What happened to your womb?
The first time I slept with a man was when I lost my womb. That was when Amanuku's sickness started newly, and the drug was really expensive. And in the bid to cover up and not to disappoint my grandmother, the woman that was there for me when I lost my mother in the labor room. And so I took concussions and I lost my womb. And he landed me in local chemist. That was when I sought for professional doctors and they told me that I had lost my womb. So, Lenny, I'm sorry. Lenny, I'm sorry. I can't have kids. I'm so sorry. Please.
Listen. You made an expensive mistake. But you're going nowhere. I've fallen in love with you. For that reason, I am ready to spend any amount. I will fly you to the best hospital abroad. Let's see if they can restore your womb. I'm ready to do whatever it takes to make sure your womb is fixed. Please don't do this to me.
Until then, but Danny, I'm sorry, I have to go. Danny, please. Danny, you're a good man. You're too good. And I love you so much. And I'm sorry. And thank you so much for helping a poor girl like me that was in need. God will bless you. God will bless you for everything you've done for me. Thank you. I have to go.
You're going nowhere. Yes. We're in this together. You're going nowhere.
I am in sorrow. I am in deep fear. Nobody she's my choice. Anything you do to her, you do one to me. She's my choice. She's my choice. Anything you do to her, you do one to me. She's my choice. She's my choice. Anything you do to her, you do one to me. She's my choice. She is strong when things fall apart. It's not that she's a spoiled girl. Let's forgive her. Mama, forgive her. Mama, she's my choice. Poverty have destroyed my life. Problems of this world has killed me. I am in sorrow.